Hi, I'm Ron Ogden. Today, how to get past the Brazilian favelas in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. Come with me as we bypass the Brazilian slums.
The Brazilian favelas are on the Hornet's Nest level of the single-player campaign. The slums are an urban war ground where awareness, cover, and some quick thinking will help you survive. Cover is especially useful in the level as it's everywhere. Make sure to utilize the bullet penetration of your assault rifle to your advantage. Don't be afraid to use the weapons dropped by your enemies if you find yourself low on ammo. Make sure to check each corner and the rooftops as you progress. Staying with your team and supporting their moves will also make the trip a bit safer. Shotguns are especially useful on this map, as you are in close quarters most of the time. Near the end of the map, you will fall from the roof. Now is the time to run, and keep running. Pay attention to McTavish's directions, and you'll be safe before you know it.
Jump for it!
Good job! You bypassed all those Brazilian slumlords. I wouldn't want to be there if I were you. I'm Ron Ogden. I'll see you next time.